World Ahoy!
The Solar System. People have always wanted to know what lies beyond the stars. The Earth is just a small inhabited planet in the middle of the universe. And the universe is so big, we can only measure distances in terms of millions of kilometers and time in thousands of years. We've even had to invent a new concept to measure it: light years. A light year is the distance light travels in a year. If we imagine that light travels 300,000 kilometers a second, then a light year is 9,461 billion kilometers. We live in a galaxy called the Milky Way, which measures 100,000 light years from one side to the other. The solar system lies in one corner of the Milky Way. If the Earth is our home, the solar system is the street we live on. It is made up of 9 planets which revolve around a great central star, the Sun. The closest to the Sun is Mercury, then Venus, the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. The Sun is a gigantic ball of fire, thousands of times larger than Earth. The planets closest to the Sun are very hot, and those furthest away are very cold. So Mercury is the hottest, and Pluto is the coldest. Saturn is famous for the enormous rings of matter floating around it, and Mars for being bright red. Some planets have other smaller bodies orbiting them, called satellites. The Earth only has one satellite, the Moon. Mercury and Venus don't have any, and Saturn has as many as 18. Can you imagine what the night sky would look like on Saturn? The planets rotate on their own axes and around the Sun. When a planet completes a full rotation on its own axis, we call this a day. The Earth takes 24 hours to do this. When the planets complete a full circle around the Sun, we call this a year. For the Earth, this takes 365 days. Mercury, which is closest to the Sun, only takes 88 days to do this. But a Pluto year takes 248 Earth years. Our beloved Earth is just another planet in the solar system. And the solar system is just a small part of the galaxy. But there are hundreds of galaxies out there. Together they form the universe. And we still don't know how big that is.